Today I'm making sweet and savory back ribs. They're quite easy to make and they're very tasty. It's so packed full of an awesome array of flavors that they're definitely sure to please. Let's get started. Here's the ingredients. Get a large bowl and start adding it all together. Now you want to cut the meat into sections, about 3 ribs apart. Place the ribs in Ziploc bags. Pour enough of the marinade into each bag to partially cover the ribs. Seal the bags tightly and then refrigerate for 4 to 8 hours, turning occasionally. Now you can also use this recipe for pork chops and then grill them on the barbecue if you wish. When you're ready to cook them, remove them from the fridge and empty the bags into the roasting pan. Now you place it in the oven to slow cook for about 325 degrees for 2 hours with the lid on. And then you turn the oven up to about 400 degrees for approximately another 1 to 1.5 hours with the lid off. Now there you have it, your ribs are ready to serve. I hope you enjoy them.